Does the matter of all of the unidentified fingerprints give you any problems in explanation to the jury? That's an issue Fitzgerald hit out at this morning.
Well, this is an issue that the jury was already aware of. This came out, in fact, during the prosecution's case in chief. I will have a response to that, too. I think the jury will be looking for an answer to that, and I do intend to respond to it.
How do you feel the jury has reacted to Mr. Fitzgerald's argument?
Well, there's only one way to really tell how a jury is reacting. Whenever a juror is impressed with any particular point, invariably they're going to write that point down. Throughout Mr. Fitzgerald's argument thus far, there's been virtually no note-taking.
Could a defense case be in any way persuasive on the jury without a case, that is, without the offering of witnesses or testimony, with just the presentation of an argument?
Well, the defense can always argue, of course, that they do not have a burden to put on a defense, and if the prosecution hasn't proved their case, there's no need for them to put on a defense. This apparently is the tack that they're taking during this trial. Whether the jury will buy that or not would just be speculation on my part.
Mr. Fitzgerald has raised a number of individual points. It is a safe guess that the other attorneys will as well. Do you intend in your rebuttal to answer all of those points individually?
No, if I did that, Stan, I'd probably be there for about a week or so. I'm only going to respond to those points which, in my estimation, the jury wants an answer to. If I feel that the point is frivolous and they're not concerned with it, I'm certainly not going to take up the jury's time.
How long do you think that'll take?
My final summation, as I estimate it now, should take between 2 and 2.5 days.
When do you think the jury will get the case?
I would assume perhaps next Thursday or Friday.